Welcome to Torshavn, the charming capital and largest city of the Faroe Islands, a remote Nordic archipelago situated in the North Atlantic Ocean. With a population of around 14,000 people, Torshavn is the political, economic, and cultural center of this self-governing territory within the Kingdom of Denmark. The city's name means Thor's harbor, named after the Norse god Thor, reflecting its Viking origins. Torshavn was founded around the year 900 AD as a natural harbor and quickly became an important Viking trading and political hub. It is one of the oldest capitals in Northern Europe, with a history deeply intertwined with the Vikings and early Nordic culture. Torshavn's historic district, known as Tinganes, is particularly significant. Tinganes is one of the oldest parliamentary meeting places in the world. Dating back to the Viking Age, it served as the location for the Faroese parliament, the Lagting, which today functions as the legislative body of the Faroe Islands. The well-preserved wooden buildings with their characteristic red and black colors still stand on the peninsula, symbolizing continuity between the island's Viking past and modern governance. The city itself is nestled on the east coast of Streymoy, the largest island in the Faroes. Torshavn's harbor is naturally sheltered, making it an ideal location for fishing and maritime industries, which have been central to the local economy for centuries. Today, Torshavn remains a vital port, serving both commercial fishing fleets and ferry connections that link the islands. Beyond fishing, Torshavn is also a cultural hub. The city hosts the University of the Faroe Islands, offering higher education opportunities and supporting local research. Cultural institutions include the National Museum, the Nordic House, and several art galleries and theaters. The city's vibrant art scene celebrates Faroese music, literature, and visual arts, contributing to a strong sense of identity. Despite its northern location, the climate in Torshavn is classified as oceanic. Winters are mild and summers cool, heavily influenced by the Gulf Stream. Frequent fog, rain, and wind shape everyday life here and are reflected in the traditional Faroese architecture, which often features turf roofs and robust wooden structures designed to withstand harsh weather. The surrounding natural landscape is spectacular. The Faroe Islands are famous for dramatic cliffs, fjords, and rugged mountains. From Torshavn, residents and visitors enjoy easy access to hiking trails, birdwatching spots, and boating excursions. The island's unique ecosystem is home to numerous seabird colonies and marine life, making the area a paradise for nature lovers. Torshavn's economy today is diverse, but still anchored by the sea. Fishing and aquaculture, especially salmon farming, dominate the local economy, providing jobs and export income. The city is also developing sectors such as tourism, education, and services to diversify its economic base and support sustainable growth. The city is known for its welcoming community and lively festivals. Olavsoka, the national holiday celebrated each July 29th, is a highlight of the cultural calendar. It features rowing competitions, traditional Faroese chain dancing, music, and communal festivities that showcase the island's heritage and close-knit society. Torshavn also emphasizes sustainability and environmental stewardship. Efforts to reduce emissions, manage waste responsibly, and protect natural habitats are ongoing as the city balances development with conservation. In summary, Torshavn is much more than a remote Nordic capital. It is a vibrant city steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty. From its Viking roots to its modern role as the political and cultural heart of the Faroe Islands, Torshavn offers a unique glimpse into life at the edge of the Atlantic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment which place we should cover next.